Hi, I'm Mohnish Nair, and I am speaking my way to success. Success for me is not just an achievement of a goal or an accomplishment. Success for me is a moving target. The more closer I get to a goal and I achieve it, I want to achieve more. And that for me, the hunger to grow is success. You should never be satisfied and completely content with what you have. There is always scope for growth. There is always scope for improvement. And there is always something yet to do which is so significant that you can move mountains for it. That should be the hunger. And that for me is success. Success is doing what you love. Success is following your own path. Success is living each moment to its fullest. Success for me is overcoming obstacles. Success for me is treating people right. Success for me is leaving a dent in the world. Success for me is giving a contribution that is way larger than my life. Success for me is helping people realize their potential. Success for me is being happy. Success for me is being peaceful. Success for me is being progressive. So if you ask me what is success, success is in progress. Success lies in constantly moving from one level to the next to the next. And that for me, the continuous pursuit of happiness, the continuous pursuit of progress is success. So my motto in life is don't wait for things to happen, make things happen.